Welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the Iterators section. This is the dot filter method. Another useful iterator method is dot filter. Like dot map, dot filter returns a new array. However, dot filter returns an array of elements after filtering out certain elements from the original array. The callback function for the dot filter method should return true or false, depending on the element that is passed to it. The elements that cause the callback function to return true are added to the new array. Take a look at the following example. We have const words is this array of words. We have const short words, which is assigned words that are filtered, and each word's length that is less than 6 will be returned into the short words array. Words is an array that contains string elements. Const short words declares a new variable that will store the returned array from invoking dot filter. The callback function is an arrow function that has a single parameter, word. Each element in the words array will be passed to this function as an argument. Word.length less than 6 is the condition in the callback function. Any word from the words array that has fewer than 6 characters will be added to the short words array. Let's also check the values of words and short words. We have this log of words has this array of words, and this log of short words has this array with these words. Observe how words was not mutated, i.e. changed, and short words is a new array. Our instructions say call the dot filter method on random numbers to return values that are less than 250. Save them to a new array called small numbers declared with const. Let's do that now. So we take random numbers array, and each time a value is passed through our filter, it will check if that number is less than 250. If it is true, then it will be stored in small numbers. Let's run that. We do pass. 2 says, now let's work with an array of strings. Invoke dot filter on the favorite words array to return elements that have more than 7 characters. Save the returned array to a const variable named long favorite words. Let's do that here. So this will take our favorite words array and filter through each word, and any word that's length is greater than 7 will be added to our long favorite words array. Let's run this. We do pass, and we could even log these out to see what they give us. And we do see our array at the top is numbers under 250. And the second array is our long favorite words greater than 7 characters. What we're learning here, the dot filter method returns a new array, and it takes a callback function that should return true or false depending on the element that's passed into it. If the element's true, it will be added to the new array, and if false, it will not. As long as you guys are understanding that, you guys get dot filter, and I'll see you in the next lesson.